I have a CB in my car. CQDX 309, Central Iowa, standing by.
Come on in here, 309, 605, pointed right at you.
What's up guys, Corey the Random Guy here with you again today. I'm going to show you the CB setup that I have in the car. First, I'd like you guys to continue liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, thumbs up, thumbs down. You guys are doing phenomenal. Again, I said in the last video I just made, 203 subscribers as of the last count. You guys are doing great. Without further ado, let me show you what I got. It is pretty warm in this car right now. I have the newer Road Talker 40. You guys can hear just a little bit of skip. Skip isn't very good today. So now I have a CB radio in the car as well. Me and the wife, we will be doing a distance test with it someday. Let me show you the antenna setup real quick. Right up here is a magnet mount. It's about a 3 foot. Got a little tuning ring set up on it. I've already tested this. This, I was actually able to make a contact going down to my stepdad's yesterday to mow his lawn. The little antenna works really well. This back here is a fire stick. It unfortunately does not work. The original plan was to put my 102-inch steel whip on this, but for some reason I could not get the SWRs down below 2.0. Now, rule of thumb, you can run a 2.1 to 1 so long as you're not running any power, and it would be fine. This fire stick, for some reason, the SWRs are like a 3.0. I haven't quite figured out that, but right now that's just kind of keeping water out from in there, so it's just kind of sitting there. Well, let's open the trunk and I will show you how I have this set up. And maybe some of you guys can tell me what I'm doing wrong. I did talk to a buddy of mine down in Tennessee. He did send me a certain mount that I need. Let's open the trunk and take a look inside. So what you guys are looking at, I had to cut that open because there was like one little hole right there. That pained me a lot to cut a hole like that. I've got 2 ground wires going from right there. Got one going to right there, and then the other one going to the other side. Now this is hooked up to a slide tray, because this car used to be a cop cruiser. This is where the camera system recorder was set up. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing wrong when it comes to SWRs. Now, I have said already that my buddy has sent me a picture of what kind of mount I need. So that's really gonna help. But once I get that set up, I will definitely have you guys check out the SWRs. We'll do a range test on the 102-inch whip. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with the magnet mount. And in case you guys are wondering on this, I have a big washer here, and then of course you guys seen there was one underneath. I have a rubber washer in between the trunk lid and this washer here. That's to seal it, help keep water out of the trunk. As you guys remember, this is an old cop cruiser, so I'm using an existing hole already. I'm gonna give you guys a quick dirty tour of the car. I'm sure you guys miss seeing it. There she be. Dirty as all get out. Well, let's see if we can make a contact. We're gonna wait for a little bit clearer of a signal. Real quick though, before we do that, the little magnet mount, I've got it down to a 1.4 to 1 across the band. My SWRs are good on that. I'd rather have the 102-inch whip, but you know, I gotta get that mount first and then we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. CQDX 309, Central Iowa, standing by in the mobile, waving. Alright, so obviously, that radio is going to make me out to be a liar. Alright, there's 2 problems here. The reason why I'm not getting out is, well, one of them, I got a tree in the way. That shouldn't really make much of a difference. However, I am sitting at home right next to my house. That might make a big difference. So, we'll definitely do a range test on it someday. Rest assured guys, I don't do no bullshit on my channel. You guys know this. I have made a couple of contacts on the little magnet mount. So don't be afraid to use a magnet mount, guys. I mean, seriously, they're pretty good antennas, especially mine. Mine's only a 3 foot tall and it's able to be tuned via rings. I haven't really had any issues with it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This is 309 Central Iowa, and I hope to hear you guys out on the air. When I'm out on the road, I will call CQDX. So guys, listen out for me. We will talk to you later.